And welcome back to Evelyn and Peter Crochet. Today I'm going to show you guys how to work a foundation single crochet. So instead of chaining your work and then working a row single crochet, we're just going to work a foundation single crochet. So to begin, just create a slip knot. Insert your hook and pull tight to secure. To start the foundation single crochet, you just need to chain 2. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and that's 2 chains. And then you're going to insert your hook into that very first chain that you made. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through that first loop on your hook, and yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Now you can see it created a little V on the bottom, and that's where we're going to insert our hook. So again, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. And again, you can see the little V's it's making on the bottom. Just insert your hook into that closest one, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. And then do the same thing again. Insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through 2. And you can see that it's creating a length of single crochet along with the chain on the bottom. And when you do this stitch, you don't have to make any chains and turning your work and working that first row. You just basically combine it and do both the chains and the single crochets at the same time. And then when you need to continue to your next row, just do the same as usual. Turn your work, chain 1, and you can work single crochets along the stitches, back down the other side. Super easy, and this is a great stitch to know.